Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Sometimes when you smoke pulled pork, you get tons of leftovers and you wonder, what can I do with this? Well, today I got a great dish for you. Today we're making a smoked pork and corn soup. The first thing that we want to do is light up the grill to put a char on the corn. So here's how we do that. We're gonna start by filling up a chimney starter with some quebracho charcoal from birch barrel. Then we want to light this on fire, and when we have a good fire going, dump it into the grill. We're gonna spray the corn with some duck fat, and then we're gonna season all over with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Vegetable. Then we want to grill the ears of corn for about 5 minutes, turning every minute or so, and when nicely charred, remove from the grill and let cool. When cooled down, we want to slice the kernels from the ears. We got a good char on the corn, so now it's time to put together the soup, and here's how we do that. We're gonna pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a large pan. We're using this beautiful 5-ply pan from Heritage Steel. Then we want to add 1 finely chopped onion and 1 tablespoon of finely diced garlic, and then we want to saute this until translucent. This takes about 5 minutes. Next, we want to add the corn and stir. Then we want to add 4 cups of good chicken broth. And we're also going to season with about a tablespoon of our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Burger Boost. Next, we're going to add about 8 ounces of finely diced green chilies. We're going to add 15 ounces of fire-roasted salsa. And then we're going to add 15 ounces of finely diced tomatoes as well. Last but not least, we want to add about 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of pulled pork that we chopped up. Now we're going to add the lid, and then we want to simmer this slowly for 20 to 25 minutes. When ready, we want to finely dice some cilantro and add to the pan. Then you want to stir, and then this wonderful smoked pork and corn soup is ready to serve. And that is how I make my smoked pork and corn soup. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And look at that, that looks amazing. So, oh, it's pretty warm. So many levels to this dish. It's really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.